Do you need to cut the mesh in specific shape? That may be a problem if you have to go on deleting the faces manually. I have a plane, and I want to cut the plane in these circular type of shapes. Let's select the plane and apply volume select. Select the face. Select the object by Mesh Object. And click on the button showing None and click on the mesh on Viewport. Let's hide this object. Our faces are selected. Since we cannot delete the faces right here, let's put Edit Mesh. Select Face Mode and in the keyboard hit Ctrl+I. It inverts the selection. Now delete the faces. Now we got what we wanted. It's easy this way. Thanks for watching. If you have some other ways to do the same, please let me know in the comment. Keep sharing and let's learn together.